Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dev. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making a carrot cupcake for diabetic patients. A cake that could be enjoyed by diabetic patients with everyone at home. So let's see what we need to make that carrot cake.
Actually, this is a very easy cake to make. To make this cake, you will need 250 grams of wheat flour, 100 grams of sugar, 250 grams of butter, 4 eggs, finely grated carrot 300 grams. You have to grate it very finely. Vanilla 2 teaspoons and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's see what we need to do first to make this cake. First, you need to add the butter into the mixing bowl. The butter needs to be hard in consistency because if it melts down, the carrot tends to sink to the bottom of the cake. And then you need to add the sugar and beat it with the butter until it comes to a creamy consistency. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla into the butter and sugar mixture and start mixing it again. Now we are done with the mixing. Now it's in a nice creamy consistency. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients into it. First, you need to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder into the wheat flour and mix it together. Keep it aside. Then you should take the carrots, which are finely grated. Take about half of the flour and coat the carrots in the flour. We are doing this to avoid the carrots from sinking in the cake mixture, or else the carrots will be at the bottom of the cake. So you should mix it well with the flour. You can see how the carrots are coated in the flour. The next step is you should add these carrots and the rest of the flour and start folding it into the wet ingredients with a spatula. adding the rest of the flour. Like this, you have to incorporate all the carrots and the flour together in the cake mixture. Now we have to put this mixture into a cupcake tray lined with cupcake liners. We are going to make 20 cupcakes. So you should scoop 1 tablespoon of the cake batter into each cupcake. For a diabetic patient, not only the type of food that he or she eats, the amount is as equally important. So it's very important that you divide this cake mixture or the cake batter into 20 equal cupcakes. So now the oven is heated to 180 degrees of Celsius. So we'll put the cupcakes into the oven and we are going to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the cupcakes were in the oven for 12 minutes. The skewer came out clean, so the cupcakes are ready. But the ones in this tray is not ready yet, so we'll leave it for some time. Now see how the cupcakes are nicely baked. It has a nice yellow tinge to it. Now we are going to make a glaze to put on top of these carrot cakes for those who have a sweet tooth at home, not for the diabetic patient. Now see how these cakes are baked nicely. It's so soft. To make this glaze, you should put half a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and you should add fresh milk little by little until it comes to a thick consistency like this. Now we are going to put this glaze on top of these cupcakes. You should coat the top like this. It's a bit runny at this stage, but it ultimately will dry and it will get solidified. So on top we can put finely grated carrots. You can stew it with a little bit of sugar if you want. Keep in mind that you should store these in the refrigerator if you are not eating it on the same day. Like this, you can decorate the carrot cakes. See how nicely it has turned out. Remember, for a diabetic patient, you can't eat these glazed cupcakes because it has icing sugar. It's best if you can consume one carrot cupcake with plain tea or plain coffee without any sugar for your evening tea. So if you like to watch more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Until then, see you. I'm Dr. Dale.